last night, Bitcoin ended up dropping about 6.29%. You can see this lower wick down here at about 55.6 flat. And I'm sure a lot of people were panicking at the moment. I did release a video last night kind of discussing that I thought that price could potentially find a floor somewhere around here. And so far at the moment, it looks like we're currently testing a double bottom support at about 56.2, and we're just getting into a bullish crossover based on the crossover strategy that we use in the EPIQ Trading Floor. Now, when you zoom out to the 4 hour, you'll notice that we are still in a bullish crossover as well, which means that all this activity we're seeing here, there's a very high probability for a fake out because this is showing overall bullish because of the bullish crossover. And on the daily, same thing. We are in a bullish crossover. We were testing LRC support. Now we're in potential fake out land considering that this is in a bullish crossover. So all in all, I am looking for price to find some sort of floor at the moment and do at least a relief push. Now, ideally, I would love to see price get up to about the 61 to 62K range to test one of these critical resistances and really confirm the short-term downside that we're starting to see. Because if you follow my channel, you know that I've been talking about this downside potential since about June or July, and that the market has been in a consistent downflow of volume since I think it was February is when it started. And let's take a look at the crypto macro dashboard as well. This is available for free on the EPIQ Trading Floor. You can see Bitcoin on the daily is still showing sell signals, same with Ethereum and total market cap. Now, the last few days we were holding good support. We saw mostly candle wicks, and then this turned into extreme volatility with mostly candle bodies. And we saw the sell off from yesterday into last night into this morning. And if you zoom out a little bit, we're testing this lower liquidity zone that was created on August 15th that we never actually retested. So it's good that we came back down and were able to retest the zone. If you zoom out a little bit further, you can see that this is also an SR flip zone. This was a resistance previously, which is now being held as a support. And the news is 50-50 right now. It's not really swaying too bullish or too bearish. You're kind of getting mixed sentiment at the moment. Now, in terms of volume, you're also seeing 50-50 in the market. This is 24-hour volume. So you can see some projects like Aave and Solana getting a huge increase in volume, whereas Bitcoin and Ethereum are not seeing that same amount of volume. And keep in mind, there's not going to be really any major news that's going to be going out in terms of macros until we get to unemployment and the CPI reports. So that's a couple days away for unemployment, and then September 11th will be the CPI. If you do want to stay up to date with anything related to crypto or trading, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to come learn how to trade, you can come join the EPIQ Trading Floor. We do offer a 3-day risk-free trial, and that'll give you all access to the membership. I hope you all have an incredible morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I'll see you on the next video.